Hey everybody, Rorree here with Totally Rorree International. Okay, so we are doing the Four Agreements. All right, the Four Agreements is a book written by Don Miguel Ruiz, Ruiz. And the Four Agreements, I read it many, many years ago, but instead of reading it again, I got these cards from Amazon and we have been going over the cards. So I thought I would just go over all of them, like how Cato and I did Mars and Venus, those cards. It was very informative. So here we go. So the agreement for today is don't take anything personally. Don't take anything personally. How about that? All right. So this one said, oh, look at that. See other people as they are. See other people as they are. And this lady, look, she's holding up some sunglasses. And y'all know I always be talking about the sunglasses, okay? Because I feel like I have these spectacles on right here, and they have my prescription in them. And I see very well through these glasses. But if you put on my glasses, you might see something totally different, right? So I'm like I work on and I do this, I really work on this all the time. Not like I like to see you or as you are, you know what I mean? Versus putting my views upon you. I want you to be who you are without me, putting my stuff on you. You know what I'm saying? So see people as they are. Okay. And know that everybody has their own opinion, their own sunglasses, their own journeys, their own lessons to learn. And their lessons may be different than yours. Okay. All right. So this card says, when you see other people as they are without taking it personally, you can never be hurt by what they say or do. Even if others lie to you, it's okay. They are lying to you because they are afraid you'll discover that they're not perfect. Wow. I was talking to a friend of mine the other day, and he was talking about how sometimes people say, well, I'm not perfect. Like being perfect is a bad thing. And, being perfect is not a bad thing, but we also don't have to be perfect. We can just be who we are. And that's perfect to be who you are. You know what I mean? With all your imperfections, who cares, So, anyway, see other people as they are. I like this. Sometimes people could say something, it could hurt your feelings or whatever, but you're in control of your feelings. You're in control of your responses and your reactions. You're in control of all that. You're in control of how you perceive something. So if someone says something to you and it feels like, I don't know if I like that they said that, or I don't agree or whatever, then just disagree with it. Agree to disagree. It doesn't really matter. That's that person's opinion. You know what I mean? And who cares? Everybody has an opinion. And is their opinion going to kill you? If their opinion is not going to kill you, then who the hell cares? I'm just saying. If their opinion, if their opinion isn't going to take no money out your pocket, then who cares? If their opinion is not going to affect you, who cares? Who really cares? I don't. Okay. So think about that the next time you get bent out of shape because of what someone said, or what someone wrote about you. Maybe don't read what people say or write if you're going to be bothered by every time somebody says something off towards you. Don't read it, because that's not what we're here for, and that's definitely not what I'm here for. I'm not going around saying, oh, give me your advice, give me your advice, give me your advice, whatever. You know what I mean? I really don't care. So even if someone does hurt you, just know that's their sunglasses that they are looking through as they are saying whatever they are saying to you. You can receive it or you don't have to. You don't have to receive everything that somebody says about you. You know, not everybody has the right to speak into your life. So like like because of that, don't ask everybody for their opinion. And if someone gives you their unsolicited advice and you don't want it, then throw it away. You don't have to take it. Throw that shit away. It can just go over there. You know, you don't even have to listen. You can go la 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 and not listen to whatever they're saying. Don't read it. Don't read it. If it starts out sounding funky, don't read the rest. That way you protect yourself from somebody's unsolicited bullshit, and they can feel good. They can feel like you read whatever or you listened to whatever, and they could have their ego needs met or whatever. And we can all be happy with our own sunglasses on, you know, because someone else's opinion is really none of your daggone business unless you asked for it, okay? And wanted it. And then if you do, you still can't throw away what it is that does not resonate with you, because the only one that should be speaking into your life is the higher ups, you know, your beloved collective, you know, your God, your higher self, your ancestors, your guides, your angels, not no person. Who the hell? What gives them the right to speak into your life? Nothing. All right. All right, so let's read this again. When you see other people as they are without taking it personally, you can never be hurt by what they do or say, because that's their sunglasses. Their sunglasses come from their own experiences. The way you feel and stuff comes from your own stuff. You know, sometimes how you feel has nothing to do with the other person. You might be looking at something within that other person that is something that's within you that you don't like, that you might have buried, you know? So just be mindful of that. Know that that happens. You know, you might not like something, and it's the same thing that is within you. That's why, you know, it's not a good idea to go around saying you did you this, you all that, because you are probably all those things that you're saying you are. Okay? Just being real. Okay? Even if others lie to you, it is okay. It really is. Because who the hell cares? If you lying to me, then damn, I must be good. If you feel like you got to lie to me, you know what I mean? I don't go around lying to folks. That's just too much, you know? They're lying to you because they are afraid that you'll discover that they're not perfect. And who cares about being perfect? But anyway, y'all, that was a good little one. I like that one. All right. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ashe, ashe, ashe.